Good morning. Today is Disney Day. I'm coming to do my coffee right before we leave. So I'm gonna make my coffee, and then I've already kind of cleaned up my room, given it a little bit of a refresher, and now I have to get ready. I'm gonna make some coffee first because I really need coffee before. I don't want to buy anything at the stores there in the airport. So I'm just gonna make myself some coffee right now. I actually forgot to clean the memory card on the phone, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it right now, but I'm sure gonna try. Just time got away from me, but right now I'm gonna just make myself a quick cup of coffee and then go get dressed. And the Uber is supposed to be coming at 5 o'clock, and it is currently 4:30. So I'm cutting it close, and I still haven't gotten dressed or anything like that. So I have to leave by 4:42. I just got a message. Okay, gotta go. So we have arrived. We're waiting currently here in the airport at our gate. Hopefully it won't be long. It's like an hour left. So my daughter went over to get some snackage because even though it's early, we are quite hungry, and especially because I only ate once yesterday again. I have been really busy. So I have been very busy like these past few days, so I haven't had a chance to like actually eat. So I guess it'll just make room for our dinner today at California Grill. So then I got my little Up inspired outfit on. I'll probably show it to you guys when we get at the resort, but all right, we're just gonna continue waiting.
Put your big bag back one bin. One bin? Yep.
Hello.
Morning.
Just arrived at MCO in Orlando, and we brought Russell so he could go. I wouldn't drop it there. You never know. We just brought Russell into the pet relief area. It's, for those of you wondering, in case, it's right close to gate 121. It's gonna be tough for Russell because he's not used to doing it like this, but I guess he has to go. He doesn't want to. It's the very first time for Russell for all these things, and I'm not sure he likes it. Go potty. Go potty. So we just arrived. We've arrived a while ago. However, since now Disney refuses to provide Magical Express with the luggage, now we have to wait in line. It took us like an hour to go get our luggage, and the line is clear. Extremely long. We're like all the way to the back. Like you can't even see where the check-in desk for Magical Express is because we're so far away. But it's been hard, especially like with all these luggages, and then first time Russell has to fly. So it's quite tiring and annoying. We are on our way.
That requires emergency responders.
Gotta grab on tight.
Grab on tight. So sit back, relax, and have a magical stay.
Oh, she's asleep. She's probably asleep. So we're first making a little pit stop here at Art of Animation. And then it's pop.
Art of Animation!
So Russell's somewhere in there. There you go. Hey, bye-bye. Hey. Here you go. We are about to pull into Pop Century. So exciting. After a couple years of not coming, we are finally here. Oh, I'm so excited. However, our room is not ready yet, and my daughter couldn't wait, and she just wants to come to the park. So we're gonna go. We dropped off our luggage at with luggage, the luggage thing, and then we're gonna go to the park. Although honestly, I would have preferred to get to the room, settled, wait for the room, but she refuses.
I'm not leaving without my flight of passage.
She says she really wants to get to Flight of Passage, and since we have our dinner reservation tonight, it's really tight. Hopefully you guys can hear me, because but we're gonna go there, and then Russell decides to not want to eat. I think he's upset from the flight. I have a headache. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten anything all day. So we'll see how it goes. Can I touch him?
No.
Sorry, Russell, your mother said no. We have arrived to Animal Kingdom, and then we're gonna go eat first because we have not eaten a thing today. Had a little biscuit, but I didn't really like it or eat it in the plane. And we've been up since like 4 in the morning, and it is now 2 in the afternoon. So
We're fueled by a biscuit and a couple gummies.
ah, yes, Animal Kingdom.
Like your school picture, just like that.
Hello.
Hi, welcome. The card for whatever you need, like if you have lightning lane or anything like that.
And we're in. We are in. So my phone is at 7%, and it is going to die any second now. But isn't it beautiful just to walk in and to see this? Cutie! We arrived today. It is around 2:24. We are at Satuli Canteen. We came here to eat. We got our bowls, and then we're gonna rest for a little bit and go. In the meantime, we're charging because I'm running out of power everywhere. But we're gonna start to eat and enjoy our meal because look at that. That looks delicious. How is it? I always catch you in the back.
Good.
Yeah?
Remember, it's not good. You're not gonna want it.
Nah, yeah, right. Leave it.